Losing weight isn't always straightforward, and people often talk about the need for a complete lifestyle change to make weight loss sustainable. A balanced diet and regular exercise are both key. In this guide, we're counting down the top foods women can include in their diet for effective fat loss. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. What you eat is directly linked to how you feel. If you're eating nutritious foods and burning more calories than you consume, you're likely to lose weight. Plus, you'll have more energy, face fewer health issues, and experience improved mental well-being. If you're ready to discover foods that support fat loss, you're in the right place. 18. Citrus fruits. A 2016 study by the American Chemical Society showed that citrus fruits may help prevent obesity-related health issues like heart disease and diabetes. Try adding citrus to your water for a refreshing boost. 17. Walnuts. Research in diabetes, obesity, and metabolism found that walnuts help curb appetite, helping you feel satisfied longer. 16. Popcorn. The University of Scranton found that popcorn, without added salt, butter, or oil, is packed with polyphenols which support digestion and blood circulation. 15. Berries. Harvard researchers found that eating more berries, rich in flavonoids, aids in long-term weight management. 14. Whole grains. A study by Tufts University showed people who consumed 3 servings of whole grains daily, like oatmeal, had 10% less belly fat than those who ate refined carbs. 13. Avocados. Rich in fiber, healthy fats, and key nutrients, avocados aid weight loss, according to research in the Internal Medicine Review. 12. Cayenne pepper. A compound in cayenne boosts metabolism, helping the body turn food into energy faster. 11. Salmon. A 2015 study found that salmon helps convert white fat cells into fat-burning beige cells, plus it's a great source of omega-3s. 10. Cinnamon. University of Michigan research showed cinnamon activates thermogenesis, a calorie-burning process. Add it to your morning oatmeal to kickstart fat burning. 9. Apples and pears. A 2003 study found that women who ate apples and pears lost more weight and had better blood sugar control than those who didn't. 8. Chicken. High-protein foods like chicken help reduce body fat and maintain lean muscle, according to a 2013 study in obesity. 7. Spinach. The journal Hormones reported that eating spinach can accelerate weight loss by 10% due to its lipoic acid content, which helps prevent sugar from converting to fat. 6. Whey protein. A study highlighted that whey protein can aid in fat loss and muscle gain, especially helpful when included in a fitness regimen. 5. Eggs. A protein-rich breakfast, such as eggs, can boost metabolism and curb cravings throughout the day. 4. Milk. A McMaster University study found that milk can support muscle gain, essential for efficient fat burning. 3. Beans. The Archives of Internal Medicine found that beans stabilize blood sugar and contain protein that keeps you feeling full. 2. Purple sweet potatoes. These are rich in resistant starch, which helps reduce obesity risk, according to biomedical and environmental sciences. 1. Mustard. Studies show mustard may increase calorie burn by 20% without adding any calories. 3. Sugary drinks. Loaded with empty calories, sugary drinks can lead to weight gain and other health issues. 2. Fast food. High in calories, fats, and sodium. Fast food can lead to weight gain and cardiovascular problems. 1. Alcohol. Not only does alcohol have empty calories, but it also impedes fat burning and may increase hunger. Now that you know the best foods to include and what to avoid, let us know your favorite healthy foods in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.